why you should use a credit union over a bank. So credit unions versus banks, why we want to go with credit unions. The first reason we're going to go with a credit union is that it is smaller, focused on the little guy with less than $100,000. Banks are for the big guy, and they are larger and for people who have $100,000 or more. The next reason you're going to want to go with a credit union is that credit unions are not for profit. So that means they are owned by their members. Whereas banks are for profit and they are owned by actual shareholders. Credit unions are definitely less fees, and banks have more fees. More locations, and credit unions usually have less locations. Banks require a minimum on accounts. So that means, for example, you want to open a savings account, you're going to have $1,000 to do that. Whereas credit unions, they have an new account fee, which is usually between $5 and $25. You have to qualify for membership. That used to be a lot harder, but now they have them for military, students, residents of certain areas, as well as employers. So certain employers will offer accounts at different credit unions. So it's a lot easier to qualify for a credit union now. Credit unions are often a lot more community focused. So they have better customer service. Banks are there for sales and to collect money. The last reason that you want to pick a credit union whenever possible is because credit unions offer you better rates. Borrowing money, and also for deposit accounts. So your savings. Not only do banks have more fees, banks also have higher fees. And here, credit union, if they even have the fees, they're going to be lower fees. We want to go with a credit union every single time when we have the opportunity. They are meant more for the average person with the average amount of money. You will definitely save your money if you avoid banks, unless you have $100,000 or more. So let me know what you think.